And there's our candy cane. Hi everybody, we're doing great videos and we got a lot of incredible Play-Doh. So we're having a lot of fun with Play-Doh. And the first model I want to make is great for the holidays and Christmas. I'm going to make a candy cane. And it's going to be like this candy cane, but I'm going to make a candy cane out of Play-Doh. I'm going to show you how to make a candy cane out of Play-Doh. We're going to need the colors red and white. So we got the 24 color pack, and I've got white here, and I also have a nice bright red here. So with the red and the white, we're going to make a great Play-Doh candy cane. Watch this. And I want you to make a candy cane too, and then tell me about it in the comments. I'm going to pull out a little Play-Doh. Here's some red. Don't need too much. Here's some red. Roll it in a ball. And then we're going to flatten it out. Okay, that's our first part of our candy cane right there. Now we're going to get the white. Get just a little white here. Roll that into a nice ball. Okay. Then we're going to roll that out. Okay, now we got this one. I'm going to roll the candy cane out longer. This is so much fun. And we're going to make a great... We're going to make the nicest candy cane. Then you just put the two together here. Whoa. See, and then we're just going to roll it and kind of bend it. Okay, so, and then we're going to go and take it and twist it. See, look. We're making our candy cane here. Twist it. And then we're going to turn it. We're going to make the top end of the candy cane here. I'm actually going to take that off here. Ooh. And there's our candy cane. Wow, it looks just like a real candy cane. But you don't want to eat that one. Isn't that cool? We made a candy cane out of Play-Doh. And you can too. So please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you soon. Thanks.